Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another English speaking practice lesson. In today's video, we're going to talk about good habits. Listen carefully, repeat each sentence aloud, and practice speaking with confidence. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. Let's get started. Good habits can change your life. Small habits may seem unimportant, but they can create big results over time. Start your day with a simple plan. Think about what you want to achieve today. Use your time wisely. Do not spend the whole day on your phone. Try to learn something new every day. Read a few pages of a good book. Learn some new English words. Practice speaking English aloud. Even 10 minutes of practice can help you improve. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. You do not need to become perfect in one day. Just try to become a little better every day. Take care of your health. Get enough sleep. Drink enough water. Stay active. Eat healthy food. A healthy body can help you stay focused and energetic. Sometimes you may feel tired or lazy. That is normal. You do not have to give up because of one bad day. If you miss a day, start again tomorrow. Keep moving forward. Do not compare yourself with other people. Everyone has a different journey. Focus on your own progress. One small habit can lead to another, and those small habits can create a better future. So, start today. Use your time wisely. Keep learning. Keep practicing. Stay consistent. Believe in yourself. Remember, small habits create big changes. Thank you for practicing English with me today. Keep speaking English every day. Practice makes progress. See you in the next English speaking practice lesson. Have a wonderful day.